Lodestone is a noun that refers to a naturally magnetized piece of mineral magnetite. Historically, it was used as a primitive compass because of its ability to attract iron and align with Earth's magnetic field. Metaphorically, lodestone also means something, or someone that acts as a powerful attraction or guiding force. The origins of lodestone. The word lodestone comes from Middle English. Lode, meaning way or course, and stone, reflecting its role in navigation. Sailors in ancient times used lodestones to determine direction before the invention of the compass. Asking how to use lodestone. The word is used both literally to describe the magnetic mineral and figuratively to refer to a central point of attraction or influence. Example sentences. Literal: the lodestone was a key discovery in the study of magnetism. Figurative: her charisma became a lodestone for everyone in the room. The old library was a lodestone for scholars and dreamers alike. They are similar words. Magnet: a material that attracts iron or steel, often used metaphorically, like lodestone. Attraction: a force that draws things together, literal or metaphorical. Beacon: a guiding signal or inspiration, often used figuratively. Symbolism and metaphorical use. Guiding force. In literature, a lodestone is often used to symbolize something that guides or pulls characters toward a particular goal or destiny. Attraction: it can also symbolize irresistible attraction, whether romantic, intellectual, or spiritual. Scientific and historical significance. In ancient and medieval times, lodestones were critical to navigation, as they were the basis for the first magnetic compasses. This made them a key technology in exploration and trade, profoundly shaping human history. In summary, lodestone is a word that bridges science, history, and metaphor, whether describing a magnetic mineral or a metaphorical source of guidance and attraction. It evokes ideas of direction, influence, and discovery. Subscribe.